Hello guys, it's me again, and I'm gonna do an unboxing video again. The last time I did was the Galaxy Note 9, and this time I'm gonna do the new Curry 6 from Under Armour. New shoes from Stephen Curry. Okay, let's take a look at it. Okay, just arrived today, so I decided to make an unboxing video for this. I'm excited. Let me see. Okay. That's the receipt. Okay. Okay. Just put it away. Okay. My size is only 8.5, so okay. Whoa. Here. Take a look at this. It's pretty neat, hey. See? I really love the color when I saw online, so I decided to buy it. And here it is. Take a look at it. So, okay. It's pretty cool. Yes. Curry 6 from Under Armour. The newest one from Stephen Curry. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. Have a good night.